everyone and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss hyphen that is related to our punctuation mark series. So let's get started. Hyphens are used to form compound words or joining of word groups. Hyphen is also used in some compound words, as it is clear that we use hyphen in order to form compound words and also for joining word groups. We also use hyphen in some compound words. Observe the following example here for better understanding. She gets dizzy while watching the children on the merry-go-round. Here merry-go-round would be considered as compound words or word groups. So we have used hyphen between merry, go and round. It is important to note that hyphen is not used in all compound words, which means that we cannot use hyphen in all compound words. Let's move forward. It is used with some prefixes and some suffixes, which means that we can use hyphen with some prefixes that come before a word and some suffixes that are the words which arrive after the specific word. Observe this following example here for better understanding. He is an ex-hockey player. Here X is a prefix. He was very non-specific in her request. Here non from the word non-specific is a prefix as well. So we have applied hyphen in between prefixes and the actual word. Same will be the case with suffixes as well. Let's move forward. Hyphen is used to link names or other identifiers that belong together, which means that we can use hyphen in order to link names or in other identifiers that belong together. Observe the following example here. His background is Chinese American. Here Chinese American is the identity of a background of a specific person. So in order to collect them or in order to link these two backgrounds together, we have used hyphen. Let's move forward. Hyphen is used in compound numbers from 21 to 99. As it is evident that hyphen is used in compound numbers, so we have applied hyphen between 20 and 1 and between 90 and 9. Observe the following example for further understanding. Here there are 52 cars in the parking area. Similarly, we have applied hyphen between 50 and 2 as they are compound numbers. Let's move forward. When fractions are written in words, then hyphen is used in between them, which means then whenever we are using fractions in words, then we will use hyphen in between them. Observe the following example. Here 2/3 of the class voted for Ali as class president. Here 2/3 is a fraction which we have written in words, so we have applied hyphen between 2 and thirds. Let's move forward. Use a hyphen when two or more words are joined to form a single adjective before the noun, which means that we can use hyphen when two or more words are joined to form a single adjective which is placed before a noun. Observe the following example here for better understanding. The 10 years old boy was remarkably healthy. Here 10 years old is an adjective, so we have used hyphen between them. Let's move forward. Hyphens are used for the making of clearer long words, especially the ones containing repeated letters, which means that we can use hyphens for making the clearer long words, especially the words which contain repeated letters. Observe the following example here. His doctor has given him anti-inflammatory medication. As we know that in order to make the specific long words clearer in meaning, we apply hyphen. So we have applied hyphen between anti and inflammatory. Observe the second example here. Hyphen are also used to create special effect. Here but I don't know who was there behind the window. Here but is a special effect which is created by the speaker. So we have used hyphen in order to further emphasize it in our written form. for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.